Discover how to nurture and nourish your brain for top performance in every aspect of your life. This works for anyone that follows the step-by-step guide to improving brain health. You don't need any special skill or background to get more out of your brain. You can begin seeing results within days. Did you know that it's a proven fact that we humans don't fully use our brains? It's true. Our minds are incredibly powerful, but we are all very far from realizing our brain's maximum potential. The things we are able to do and accomplish are remarkable, if only we could access our entire brain. So, how do you unlock your brain's full potential? Until the past few years, it was thought to be impossible. But there is some good news. You can train your brain. In fact, your brain is like any other muscle in your body. Which means, you can mold it, shape it, and improve it. Unfortunately, most people just don't realize that this is possible. Or maybe you think that improving your brain's performance will be extremely time-consuming. It's understandable to be concerned about your time. After all, so many of us have so very little of it these days. Our modern lives are stressful, and with daily work and other obligations, most people struggle to even find the time to go to the gym to train their physical bodies. Much less putting time into training your brain for peak performance. But, learning to improve brain health is actually even more important in many ways than exercising your body. That's because everything starts in your brain. And when your brain is operating at the highest level possible, it can improve every single aspect of your entire life. What's really exciting is that we're just starting to understand just how important brain health really is. Just a few years back, most people didn't even realize that they had the opportunity to improve their brain's health. But, science has proved that our brains continue to grow, develop, and change throughout our lives. That means you can create new memories, learn new things, and new brain cells are formed throughout your brain in a process called neurogenesis. This means you have the opportunity to mold your brain in any way that you want, increase your intelligence, and live your life to the fullest and get the most possible from your brain. To get there, what you need is an expert at improving brain health to show you how to get results quickly. That's why I've created a step-by-step guide to nurturing and nourishing your brain. https://bit.ly/brainhealth369